this video, we'll be looking at writing a rational expression that is equivalent to 4x squared plus 8x over 4x. So we'll go over two options to approach this question. The first way we could approach this question would be to look at the three terms in the expression. And I see 4x squared plus 8x over 4x. If I look at that, all three parts of this expression, or all three numerical parts, the 4 and the 8 in the numerator and the 4 in the denominator, are all divisible by 4. So what I could do is divide each term here by 4. If I were to do that, then my new rational expression would be x squared plus 2x over x. And this would retain the original non-permissible value of x not being equal to 0. Another option may be to take the original expression, which is 4x squared plus 8x over 4x. And again, we could divide them all, in this case, by 2. If I divide them all by 2, I'd have 2x squared plus 4x over 2x. And again, this would retain the MPV of the original of x not being able to be 0. One common mistake that students make when writing equivalent rational expressions is forgetting that the MPVs for the new expression had to be the same as the starting expression. So what you may also notice is that each of these expressions here is divisible by 4x. So we may start with 4x squared plus 8x over 4x. And instead of dividing by 2 or by 4, sometimes we see people or students try to divide by 4x, which you can do, and you would get x plus 2. Because we would divide here and the 4x would be gone, and we divide here and the 4x. So we wouldn't have a denominator. So the problem that arises here is now we've lost the non-permissible value of 4x. So while we can mathematically divide, what we do lose is the non-permissible value. So this expression would not be equivalent to this expression. So here, this would be something you don't want to do, versus here, you'd be safe.